So there are two ways to do this question. The first is you can just straight set it up using algebra, saying we start with X kilograms of grains and we sell to the first customer half of this plus 3 kilograms. That means that the amount left after selling to the first customer is that, and I can simplify that, X over 2 minus 3. And then we sell half of this remaining quantity, half of that, plus another 3 kilograms to the second customer. Now the amount we're left with is that minus this quantity. So minus half, and I'm distributing the negative, so that would be minus 3. So this is how much we're left with after selling to the second customer. So this is what's left. Now we sell half of this remaining, meaning half of this, so watch out with the parentheses, plus an additional 3 kilograms, and then there are no grains left, meaning that quantity is equal to that. So you can either equate it or this minus that is 0. So either way. So if I do distribute the half, that would be 1/4 minus 3 over 2 plus 3 is equal to that. And then let's see, I'm going to move this over, move that 3 over here. So this is going to be 6 minus 3 over 2. And here, x over 2 minus 3 is the same in both. So half minus 1/4, that would be 1/4. So that would be 9 over 2 equal to 1/4. So please do all this algebra on your own as well. So you can be comfortable doing this under exam conditions. So 18 is equal to x over 2 minus 3. X over 2 is 21. X is 42, which is indeed there. Now in the exam, I'd probably also check my work, which is the other way of doing it. You just use the answer choices. Say if we start with 42, first customer gets half of that plus 3 kilograms, so we have 24. So now we're left with 18 kilograms. And then we sell half of this remaining, which is 9, plus another 3 kilograms, so 12 kilograms to the second customer, which means now we're left with 6 kilograms. And then we sell half of that, plus another 3 kilograms, and that's 6 kilograms, which means nothing is left. So that works out. So you could plug in, and that way you would avoid all this algebra, which can get confusing if you make a mistake in parentheses or perhaps distributing. So you have those two choices. The answer is C.